Hey guys, this is Candy coming with a very unusual video. Yes. So today I was getting ready to get my nails together, supposed to be heading to an event this evening, and so I was ready to get my nails looking decent, and I decided to stop and share with you guys this nail that somebody put me onto. This is the Color FX by Impress. And guys, these nails, let me tell you something. I'm always very skeptical about getting press-on nails. Why? Because I'm just not into the using of the glue, and for something about the glue that doesn't sit well with me. And so when I complimented somebody on how nice their nails look, and they're like, oh, they're press-ons, I'm like, what? Wait, what now? Say what? Press where? Who? What? What now? So she was like, yeah, I got them at Ulta. So you know who was in Ulta without any kind of delay? I was right there in Ulta. So this is how it comes. Let me see if I can turn the camera around so you can see the true color. So that's how it looks. It's somewhat of a metallic gold. See? It's a metallic color. It's giving me Christmas tree inspired vibes. Yeah. Inspired by the gold ornaments on my Christmas tree. Yeah, so this is how they come. It does have this extra piece of film at the end, and this is where you peel it off from the back. And then once you peel it off, then you are good to just apply it to your nail. You just find the size that works best for the size of your nail bed and just press it on, and you are in business. Like literally no difficulty. Yeah. So for step one, it comes with this wipes, or what they call it, do not mess press pad, that you use to just clean off the bed of your nails. It also has this miniature nail file in case you need to file anything down. I don't foresee having to file anything down, and so yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much go ahead. So this part of the nail where you have that little extra flap of lining, it actually goes to the cuticle area, so at the top right here. I'm holding the camera with one hand and I'm trying to show you guys. You see how bad my nails look? So I desperately need this. So this nail, the top part will actually go like so, right? All right, so let's get started. So what I did was go ahead and find the sizes to match each finger, and now I'm gonna use the cleaning pad to just clean off the nail bed like so, easy breezy. And then once that is done, I'm ready to install. So all I do is I use this film at the back and remove it, and immediately it exposes the sticky area that allows you to adhere the nail to your bed. So you line it up as best as possible and just press, and that is it. Easy. And again, the film from the back and just line it as close to the cuticle bed as possible, or the cuticle line, and just use your hand to press it on. And I promise you, they're very sturdy. Very sturdy. Don't have to worry about them lifting. Usually I'm concerned about, the nails lifting, which is why I usually don't go for press-ons. One more. All right. Pull off the back. And they have a whole lot of sizes. So if you have smaller nail beds, they have sizes to fit you. They have like 30 nails in the package. So regardless of how big or small your nail beds are, you definitely won't have an issue. You will find something or a size to fit you. Might as well do the last one. Why not? And let's see how quick. In a matter of minutes. Not even 3 minutes. And $12 later, guys. This is only like $12 for the package, and you get to use it multiple times. What $100 that I normally pay at the nail shop? Who? Not this girl. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Look how nice that looks, guys. And when I tell you, it's not going anywhere. Cutesy. Demure. Mindful. It could go right on the tree as a part of the ornaments because of the blinging. Altar. Impressed nails. Get yours.
I like your nails, by the way. They look so good.